If you're looking for a welding machine that fits your budget or just learning a new hobby and skill to learn. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best portable welding machines for you right now available on the market.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5. Forney Easyweld 261. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first-time welders up to avid users. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. Up to 140 amp output that allows you to weld mild steel up to 1/4 in plate. Lightweight 19 pounds easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. 8 MIG gun, 8 ground clamp, integrated handle with torch wrap and a 20A15A adapter. Backed by a 12-month warranty. Speaking to a Forney technician directly helps us gather better data and improve our products. It is our highest priority to ensure our customers are cared for. At number 4. Weld Pro 200 Amp Inverter Multi-Process Welder. The Model 200 is also capable of true lift TIG welding, without foot pedal, as well as stick welding and aluminum welding with the optional spool gun. The MIG 200 is an intuitive synergically designed MIG, flux core welding machine. MIG, stick or TIG weld all from a single compact, space-saving unit. Welding amperage range is 230 V. MIG welding wire diameter, 0.023.030.035, welding thickness, 19 Ga 0.197 in, TIG tungsten needle diameter, 0.0630.094, welding thickness, 25 Ga 1/4 in, MMA electrode dia, 0.063 to 0.157 acid electrode, alkaline electrode, welding thickness, 14 Ga 0.315 inches. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time. VRD high temp and overload protection with indication. User adjustable inductance settings. At number 3. SIMDER Arc Welder 130 amp welding machine. SIMDER welding machine powered from dual voltage 110 volts and 220 volts plug. SIMDER welders has a high quality design and spatterless in welding. This ARC welder come with LCD display. Portable and lightweight arc welding machine is ideal for those that are learning to weld or those that want to make small repairs around the house. Mini welder is controlled by IGBT that ensures exact current. When an overcurrent or overheat situation occurs, the reminder light will flash to remind you. And then please cut off power to protect yourself. The arc welder fits below 3.2 mm welding rods. Welds all types of iron and iron metals, including carbon steel and medium carbon steel. Low splash and smooth joint. At number 2. Hobart, 500,553 Handler 210 MVP MIG welder. The Hobart Handler 210 MVP allows for great welder portability and convenience through the use of a multi-voltage plug. This option lets you plug the unit into either a 115 volts or 230 volts outlet with an easy change of the plug. The generous operating parameters allow you to weld 24 Ga to 3/8 of an inch steel in a single pass. Plus, it is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder who wants to work on auto body, household repairs, or even heavier farm projects requiring extra power. With an arsenal of standard features such as 7 output voltage settings and a dual groove quick change drive roll, the Handler 210 is as versatile as it is powerful. Built-in gas solenoid value and dual gauge regulator with gas hose. Allows you to fine control the output parameters for improved arc performance with less spatter for a better bead appearance and less cleanup. Finally at number 1. Goplus MIG 130 Welder Flux Core Welding Machine. Compact and exquisite MIG gas welder, made of heavy-duty stainless steel body, painted with durable yellow paints, ensure its long-last-serving lifespan. No gas welder uses convenient flux cord wire, self-release metal inert gas while welding, prevent oxidation of the welded part. Features 4 levels of current flow settings, by adjusting the 4 buttons for min/max, half. Also features a wire feeding speed adjust rotary knob. 10 levels of wire feeding speeds for your choice. It is perfect for welding normal thin steel and iron, perfect for home DIY and general repairing work. Mini size but also practical, it will obtain a professional finish in welding. Features an easy carrying handle, lightweight, compact design, and easy for translation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. 2R vent on the machine to help heat dissipation. The welding gun with full on/off safety control. Standard American triangle ground cord and automatic thermal safety protection. Comes with a reel of 0.9 mm, 0.55 pounds welding wire and a brush/chipping hammer.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.